So this is going to be rather a short video. I just wanted to show you guys the completion of this dog scoop that I did a video on. You can see I already have one of the rivets done, and I didn't get any of that on camera just because I didn't know if it was going to work or not, but I'll show you how to do the second one. So I made those rivets with the new foundry. It's working pretty good on propane. It can melt brass pretty quickly. You can still touch the outside, so it's good insulation. So first, after I got this rivet in, I finished drilling the holes. Got the other rivet right here, and I'm gonna set up, I have two of these dies. I don't know where I put the other one. I'm going to set it up in the vise with something underneath it to hold it in place. Tighten it up. And by the way, I made a new handle for my hammer because the last one broke. I think it looks pretty snazzy. And then what we're gonna do is heat up the rivet, put it in here while it's like this, and put the other die on top of the rivet so it forms the circular bead-like appearance. Alright, that was boring enough. So, it looks beautiful on the camera, this lighting. I'm gonna go ahead and get this heated up again, so just to do some finishing touches, and then this guy's done. As if this project wasn't taking long enough, couple hits, rivets popped right out. So this project is going to take a lot longer. I think next time, instead of trying to make rivets, I'll probably try to make screws. Or maybe not, I don't know. Well, hope that was worth something, and I'll get back to you in like 3 months or something.